Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can fix easily this error. Here you can see it. Android system storage space running out. Some system functions may not work. So for fixing it you just need to click on this arrow. So just click on it and here you will see that it will open cleaner. So you just need to clean up. Here you can see cache files. It takes about 281 megabytes, different packages, residuals, and just choose clean up. Just click on clean up and it will successfully clean all trash files. Here you can see that it's successfully cleaned about 281 and 81 megabytes. So also for fixing it you just need here you can see that from this application you can also clean your Facebook cleaner. So just choose clear and it will clear all Facebook cache. Here you can see that but also it takes not large memory. Here you can see only about 1 megabyte. So just go back and also you can go to WhatsApp cleaner. Just open it and here you can see that it haven't any cache. And also here you can also see uninstall apps. 17 apps haven't been used for a long time. Take a look. So you just open this, take on uninstall, and here you can see application I also don't use for a long time. And also you can choose, for example, translate or story download, and just click on uninstall and it will click OK and it will successfully uninstall these two applications from your phone, and it will make some special memory for it. Also you can scroll down and here you will that's all we can clean. But also what's the method you can also clean. Another thing is just to go home and just go to settings, and in settings you choose apps, and in apps you choose manage apps, because we clean only 200 megabytes. It's not so much, but for normal working we need about 1 gigabyte. So my opinion is that for normal working your device needs about 10% of all of your memory to be free. For example, if I have 32 gigabytes mobile phone, I need 3 gigabytes free space on my phone for fully working system applications, and for good working camera, phone number, and for not stacking. So if you want normal to quick response on your fingers, on your touch, so you need to do it. You need to have about free 10% of all of your memory be free. So here you can see all of your applications that also are in use, that you install to your phone, and here you can see how much memory they takes from your device. So for example, Instagram. So 43 megabytes is in cache, and you also can clean that. So just go to storage, open storage, and here you can see that cache is 184 megabytes, and just click on clean data, and here you can also clear all data. But if you choose clear all data, it will delete all of your accounts you also add to your Instagram. They will delete all logins, passwords, and after you choose clear all data, you need to log into your accounts again after you clean, or you can also clear cache and it won't delete your logins and passwords to your account, so it won't log out from your account. So just click OK, and here you can see that we successfully clean all the cache, and we clean about 200 megabytes. So also you can do it with every application you see here. For example, Telegram, it also takes very much of memory to, it brings some information you also viewed to your like cache to your mobile phone, and it uses your memory, large space of memory. So you just choose clear data, and here you can also choose manage space, and here you will find that it takes, here you can see 2.8 gigabytes. It's really large space. That's why just click here, and here you can see it also will delete photos, videos, documents, music, and other files. So just click on clear cache, and here you can see empty. So it successfully delete all the cache of your Telegram. So that's how it works. So now you won't see this error for a long time until you don't have memory again, and you will see this storage error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.